Hurricane season is in full swing, and as you plan ahead, it is especially important that people with physical or medical challenges prepare. So now is the time to apply for the Coastal Health District's Hurricane Registry. Joining me now is Adam Sanchez with the Glynn County Health Department Nurse Manager. Hey there, what is the Hurricane Registry and why would someone want it to be, or why would somebody want to be placed on this?
Good morning. The Hurricane Registry is a list of people with special functional or medical needs who need a special assistance evacuating in the case of a storm or hurricane.
And can you provide some examples of what types of conditions would qualify someone for this list?
We maintain a registry, and it basically has two groups of patients. One, medical. Some of those people may be bedbound, require IV antibiotics at home. It may depend on a home ventilator to sustain life. We have to make plans to get them transported to an inland shelter. And then there's another section of the registry for people with more problems like functional needs that include taking medication, eating, transferring from chair to stretcher. So it's just something a little bit more advanced to help people during an evacuation than a normal shelter would.
And for those who do qualify, how do they apply and when should they apply?
This is a really important part. They need to apply in advance. They can do it any day of the year. They can call our hotline number at 1-833-243-7344, or they can visit us on our web address at gachd.org.
And is there anything else you wish people knew about this Hurricane Registry?
I think it's important for all people, whether you're on our list or not, who are considering evacuating to a shelter. You really need to consider your COVID-19 vaccination. It's important because you're going to be in a group setting with people outside of your home, and the transmission risk is higher in this type of setting.
And during Tropical Storm Elsa, we saw how much damage there were to homes during those tornadoes in southeast Georgia. I mean, even when a tropical storm is predicted, is there a limit of when this can apply to, when they can, evacuate, or whenever they're able to help get them out of their homes to prevent them from potentially getting stuck or being hurt?
Yeah, we cut our list off several days in advance. We have to make sure we have time to plan for transportation, housing, and we also want to make sure people are on the road evacuating in safe conditions. So it's important to make sure you're in them at least 2 to 3 days before the storm is expected.
And have we ever had anything like this before?
We've done this several times. The one that stands out the most to me is when we had Hurricane Irma. We had about 65 people we evacuated out of Glynn County.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Mr. Sanchez, for joining us this morning. This is great information.
Thank you.